You can prepare your Minnesota home for roofing replacement by getting things away from the walls. We're going to be tearing thousands of pounds of shingles off of your home, and the bulk of those are going to be dropping right below your eaves. And so we do put out tarps and try to mitigate where those shingles go. But we would recommend that, you know, if you have grandma's prized rose bush that you dug up from the farm and replanted, that you'd at least let us know so we can avoid that area, or sometimes we'll even build little boxes, plywood boxes, to protect those items. If you have heat cables or those kinds of things on your roof, we'd like to be aware of that and have you take those down before we get out there. There'll be a dump trailer that the guys use, and we like to back that right up against the house in the driveway so that we can throw the shingles right into that. And so that's one thing that we'd want to make sure that you get, you know, any vehicles out of the garage the day that the roof is going to be replaced, so that we have that the ability to back that right up to the roofing and throw those shingles right in there.